Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over 3 things you should know before you buy these tall, modern nightstand sets from Aitjunz Store. So the first thing that you should know is that it takes about an hour to assemble. And so that hour can really run by quick if you're just assembling. And with it, I was able to assemble both of them at the same time. I had no problems with it whatsoever. The second thing is that it does include a charging dock station on the top here. So you've got 2 USB cables and 2 wall outlets. Now, the third thing that you should know is that with this curved profile, things do tend to slide off. So for example, if I have the remote here, it might just slide off, but that's not due to the curved profile. But because it's a curved profile, I'd say like this is how much surface area you actually have to actually place things on top. So that can be seen as a negative thing, but I absolutely love the shelving inside that goes inside of here. So this kind of hides all my wiring. And then having 2 drawers to basically throw things up is just a huge added bonus. So I have a set of 2. So I have one over there and then one over there. And it really makes our primary bedroom just look absolutely fantastic. And so 3 things you should know before you go ahead and get this. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.